Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day 5 of the coaster challenge, and today I'm going to make this three colors. Not make this, I mean I'm going to use these three colors, and this is the most easiest coaster. When I first started crocheting and when I first learned coaster, I learned this one from Bella Coco, and yeah, I'm going to recreate the coaster. This is the easiest coaster, so I will say this is for the beginner level. If you don't want to change your color, that is also fine. You can just use one color, two color, three color, four color, any of your choice. This is a mandala pattern, so it's anyhow it will be beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one, and here also I'm going to use the 4 mm hook, because most of my yarns are suggesting that I have to use 4 mm hook, and I love my 4 mm hook, even though some yarn does not suggesting to use 4 mm hook. I am going to using it anyways. My god, this is all of my leftover yarns and they are tangled up a bit. So this yarn, this pink yarn is Kartopo yarn, which is a Turkish yarn, I guess, and the cream yarn is milk cotton, and this one is acrylic yarn from my local shop. Yeah, so use any yarn you want, doesn't matter. And then here I'm going to make one magic loop. Yeah, I was thinking should I use the 5 chain loop or not, but no, I'm going to use magic ring. If you see my previous video, you will already know that how to do magic ring. I explained a lot. My previous video will be linked in the description box. Yeah, so just check it. So here I did 3 chain, which is count as a DC. Now make 19 more DC in this loop. 1 sorry, 2, 3. So total you will have 20 double crochet with the 3 chain. I completed my 20 DC, and just pull your tail to close the loop and make one slip stitch into the top of the chain. It is complete. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn if you want to change the color. If you don't want to change the color, just don't cut the yarn. You should start from here. Okay, now I'm going to use my white yarn or cream yarn. There you go. So first you want to do chain 3, which is count as a DC, and then 1 DC into the next stitch, and then chain 2, and then make 1 DC into the next stitch. Make sure you are working with your tails so that you don't have to hide your tails after the work. Nobody likes to hide the tails, right? Chain 2, and then 2 DC into the next two, 1 DC into the next 2 stitch. That is your pattern. Okay, 1 DC, 1 DC, chain 2, 1 DC, 1 DC, chain 2. So we are done with our second row, and then you have to do last, you will do 2 DC. You have 2 stitch left, and then you will do 2 DC and then make 2 chain and just make 1 slip stitch into the first 3 chain of the top chain. Okay, and then chain 1, cut your yarn if you want to change your color. If you don't want to change your color, don't cut it, just slip stitch here and then a slip stitch here, and you will start working from the 2 chain space. Okay, if you don't want to change your color, just make 2 slip stitch, came to this chain 2 space, and then start work from here. Next, join your new color, your last color, and then start from any of the 2 chain space. I'm going to start from here, make chain 3, which is count as a DC, make 1 more DC into the same 2 chain space. Okay, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, and then chain 2, and then make 2 more DC into the same stitch, 1 and then 2. Now skip the next 2 DC, go to straight to your chain 2 space and make 2 DC, chain 2, 2 DC. Now skip this 2 DC, just go to your chain 2 space and make 2 DC, chain 2, 2 DC. That is it. Easy. That's what you have to do. Complete the row. I'll be back. We are done with our 3rd row. It's beautiful. In mobile camera it's look like this is so dark, but it's not. It's a pretty blue, so yeah, it's not like this darky. Okay, so just slip a stitch into your top chain, yeah, and then 1 more slip stitch into your next stitch, and then 1 more slip stitch into your 2 chain gap. This is it. Okay, we are not going to change my color now, and you will do 3 chain, which is count as a DC, and make 5 more DC in this 2 chain gap, so total it will be 6 DC. Yep, 6 DC. Now you will slip a stitch into the gap. Okay, there is no chain, just the gap in between 2 V stitch, like this, and then you will do 6 DC into the 2 chain gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then slip a stitch into the middle of the 2 V stitch. Again 6 DC. Complete the row with this. You will make 6 DC into the 2 chain gap, and then slip a stitch into the middle of the 2 shell or V, whatever you said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you don't know about our crochet coaster challenge, it is a fun challenge, so you can join us and make the coaster from my tutorial and post it on your social media. Tag me, use hashtags, hashtag Shutakathi, hashtag coaster challenge, and hashtag day 1, day 2, day 3, any of the coasters you made from my channel, and so that I can find you. And yeah, we can crochet together, we can share our color thoughts and other thing. It will be fun, and if I find your work, maybe I will share it on my story so that I can support you. Yeah, that will be fun, I think. That's it. You can join us if you want. If you don't want to join us, don't worry about it. Just make coaster if you like my video and use it. Just tag me if you want, so that I can see what you did with my tutorials. Okay, Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is how it will look like. Let me complete this and then I will be back. Some days ago I made this coaster with solid color. If I find the photos, I will add somewhere here, or I can add them on the thumbnail, and I give them actually to my friend. So the coaster is not in my hand right now, that's why I can't show you, but if I find the photos I will add them here, and you can see how beautiful it looks in the solid color also. And for the color combination, you can just use your creativity, be creative and make it as per your choice. Okay, so at the end of the round you will make one slip stitch, and then don't forget to join the first petal so that it won't look like this. Okay, so after slipping stitch you will go to the top of the third chain and then just make one more slip stitch, make it tighter so that it goes down, and then make one chain, cut your yarn, don't forget to hide the tails, and this is your coaster now. Yeah, and if you put your mark, it looks like this. I don't know how long is this. I don't have my measurement tape on my hand right now, but I think this will be 4.5 inches. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the ring button so that whenever I post a video you will get a notification. So enjoy your crocheting and see you in the next video. Bye bye.